Woke up just thinking about copping that spider. Walking right in and pull out with a title. Wanna lit like a lighter. Popping my shit, make these niggas don't like us.
Zeus.
Oh shit, what is that?
Damn. Yo!
This is not fucking possible. This cannot be true. What is that there?
Is you using grease or something?
Listen, I don't even know what's going on at this point.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Had to sit the raid dude down, man. Had to put him on Forza. I see they coming out. Pretty ting. Got the guard dog outside watching the purposes. You know what I'm saying? What's up, man?
12 seconds later.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you serve a proper pancake or bacon plate for breakfast, man. Is that right, Zeus? All right? Yeah? Huh? Nah, I'm just showing the people
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Biggs. We back at it with another freaking.
Necessary?
Got the squad outside. Got the Herb guy. Got the Lowe's guy outside.
Got a special.
Hey,
yo! Give him a little snippet. What are we driving?
He's pointing at.
Hey, true, baby, that's the track. We're gonna take it to the top, and that's the.
Alright, so yeah, guys, as you can see, brake pads to rotors. We got oil for the motor that's not here yet. Getting some work done. Have the flower for the transmission. Upgraded arms. M3 control arms for the front. Toe arms for the rear with the camber arms. We have BCs. Cannot forget about the BCs. Bag full of goodies. Timing guides. This is all motor stuff I have to take with me. Change the tensioners to guides to all types of stuff. Cool. Boom, put this right here. New charge pipe. Manual transmission fluid. For the manual transmission we have coming for the Killer V2, man. I can see the RTD, the beautiful RTD shifter. You know what I mean? With the red. This is gonna be tough for the Killer thing.
Not forget. High performance street pads with the zinc slotted rotors.
Yeah. Thing is gonna be braking,
Stopping on the dime thing.
stopping on the dime, moving on the missile. Pause. Listen, we still have a lot of work to do. See the interior. Not the best, but listen, after today, she will be a little more better. About to put these pieces together. You already know, we got it on the list, so it's time to get busy, man. Anything else you gotta say to the people?
Stay tuned in, man. Killer's coming back outside. Hey. Gotta let her drink a little bit. That white guy, man.
3 days later.
The whole car is moving. Chopping, I couldn't even hear you out there.
I had Omar revving earlier. I was showing it to somebody. I was in the front. I think I blew my ear, bro.
How's the shifter? It's good?
It's pretty good.
Yeah, it look good.
And I got a aftermarket rod this time.
Oh, yeah. And you can see everything moving, right?
Yeah.
This thing feels like a regular car, though.
get lockout on. How the shit looking, man? You got the little laptop right there. So let's see how she launches. The bumper fell off. That shit in the middle of the street. Look at it right there, bro. This is funny. Yo. Hey. It's alright. Nothing a little rap can't fix. You can see it. Damn, that shit working. Yo, this shit moving on.
10 PSI. You haven't got like a higher boost.
Yeah, 10 so far.
You got 10 PSI.
What do you?
Redline is like 75, and I'm redline on shifting under 7.
Hey. The bumper came off again.
A few moments later.
I seen it that time. Yeah.
I don't know what he thinks is gonna happen when he's ripping it like that. Bumper held on by life support.
Shit in the whole lane.
Stop. That's crazy. Alright, no beating on it.
Pause. That was crazy.
He said can't park there.
This is the 1 Series right here, guys. Let's see, under this hood is a big 5.3, man, single turbo. Let's see, this thing is, yo, you breathe on it, it's gonna pop. I already know the 1 Series, man.
Next time on Wolfpack Garage.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Biggs. This is just sitting here pretty. Let's see what's going on. I can't see because it's too shiny, but shout out Phenomenal Garage, man. Let's see who pulled up, man. Y'all know who this is, man.
What's up, bro?
Super Duke fan, bro.
Thank you, man.
Hey, man, what you looking to run tonight? Because we brought a 1 Series that we LS swap. Yo.
Here?
Yeah, it's right over there. It's a 1 Series. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Come on, baby! Come on, baby! Come on, baby!